Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we're here at Disney Springs. So we're not here for shopping, we're not here for treats today. We're here for the brand new drone show, Disney Dreams That Soar. So the debut of it today here at Disney Springs, and Disney invited us out tonight to check it out. So a big thank you to Disney for having us out. And first up, we're gonna be going to Summer House on the Lake for some dinner. And so we'll bring you guys, show you what that's about, what food we have. I've been there once before and it's amazing. We've never vlogged it, so we'll bring you guys along, and of course we'll be showing you the drone show. So I can't wait, let's go. All right, so we're here at Summer House on the Lake. We're gonna go check in and see what's going on in here and what we get to try for dinner. All right, we're in Summer House and it looks amazing in here. Feels amazing as well. And I got a drink coming, I can't wait to try it. I got the frosé. I've had this before. It's amazing. And it's really hot, so it's gonna be nice and refreshing. So we got a goodie bag here. A lot of fun things we'll show you guys later, but I'm excited. And there's a fan. We might need that tonight. All right, so here's the menu. It even has the logo at the top. How cool is that? A lot of yummy options. I don't know what to get.
See you. Thank you so much to our partners here at Summer House on the Lake. Y'all are unbelievable. I have lunch here today. I will give you all my secret menu item. Rich always is like, hold on. The Cheesy Dream Puffs are on your menu right now. My favorite brunch here is Cheesy Dream Puffs. Order the meatballs, cut the meatballs in half. You have the best meatball sandwich you've ever had in your life. And I will share with you my favorite drink. When I'm off the clock, it is a frosé, no foam. It's amazing. You're in for a real treat, so thank you so much. Disney Springs continues to evolve. It is an amazing space. Not only is Summer House new to us, we also have Eat by Chef Minnie Chohan. If you haven't eaten there, food's unbelievable. That's in our marketplace. And also we have Vineyard Vines that just opened. For all of you that are looking for shorts, the 7-inch shorts right now are 30% off. My job is to sell. So thank you so much all for being here. It's really exciting. But for what you're here for tonight is an unbelievable thing. Tonight we have our drone show, and it has come to us in record time, and our incredible partners with Disney Live Entertainment. I'm so honored to have put it together. You're going to see over 30 characters. You're going to see a massive Death Star. You're going to see a giant Big Ben. And you may even see Tinkerbell fly tonight here at Disney Springs on the Lake, now through September. It is really an unbelievable show, and we are so proud of it, and we can't wait to share it with the world. And for those of you that have been gifted a Magic Band Plus, that is probably in that bag right there for you, maybe. That interacts with our show tonight. It'll twinkle, it will light up, it will vibrate, it will interact with that show, and it will really bring it to life. It is a really, really special show. So thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all the support of Disney Springs. I love you. I can't thank you enough for your support, and I hope you have a wonderful night tonight. Have a great time.
Great, we have the jalapeno cornbread. This looks so good. Don't know if I'll try it because it's got the jalapenos, but I heard it's amazing. So we have the cheesy dream puffs here. These look really good. Rosemary, pepper. I'm gonna have to try one of these. So we have the caramelized Brussels sprouts here, and they look really, really good. We're gonna give those a try. Okay, so everything's been really good so far. This frosé is amazing. The cheese bread was really good, and we just ordered our entrees, so I can't wait to try those as well. All right, salad is up next before our entree. It looks really good and refreshing on this hot day. So my entree came, I got the chicken, and this looks really good. We're gonna find out. All right, we have the gooey lemon cake here, and this looks amazing. Cannot wait to try it.
Yummy.
So excited. Guys, look who I have. We have Kyle and JoJo here.
Hey,
what do you guys think so far?
What
do you think so far about the food?
The food's great. If you haven't come here yet, you need to. You need to. It's like my favorite place at Springs by far. Yeah, favorite restaurant, hands down. Everything's good to eat here. Great atmosphere, great treats. Like, I've already been here like 5 times on my own, so when I found out Disney was gonna have us here, I was ecstatic. Elated
Even better. Elated. There you go. Are you excited for the drone show?
Can't wait. Elated.
Elated.
Ecstatic.
We're all elated. We can't wait. All right, here we go. They're gonna walk us over to the viewing area. And wow, it's packed. But here we go. We're gonna go see where they're taking us. Dinner at Summer House was amazing. Definitely highly recommend it. Everything we had was good. That lemon cake, oh my goodness, amazing. But I love my desserts, so. All right, here we go. They're gonna let us in. Here we go, guys. Wow, it is packed. We got a spot. I'm excited. Here we are. So we have about 15 more minutes before the show, and you can see all those people. Look at that.
Yeah, we got
There's even some crossed over at Saratoga Springs. And over there too. I am so excited. I have wanted a drone show here at Disney World since, you know, the last time they had one back in 2016, I believe. So I cannot wait for this. It's gonna be amazing. What I've seen, some pictures so far. So excited.
Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T.
5 more minutes, guys. So excited.
Oh, you haven't seen it yet?
We're lighting around the west side waterfront to be loaded. For your safety and for that of others, we ask that you please remain where you are until the lighting returns to normal. Disney Dreams That Soar will take flight in just a few minutes.
Kyle, you ready? Woo! I'm excited.
Guys, there's the drones.
Good evening. Right here, underneath the starlit sky, a timeless adventure is about to unfold. Now, unleash your heart. Let your imagination fly. Disney Dreams That Soar.
That's so crazy. Even the lighting on the trees. That's insane. Here we go. Wow. Look at the tree. This is cool, don't you think, Kyle? Oh, it's it has like dimensions to it.
your personal healthcare companion.
So good, guys.
Enact weights. Thrusters.
Wow, guys, this is literally just insane.
Fine. Mixing
So
your
good.
healthcare companion.
Wow. Oh, shoot. We got the Marvel. It's just hitting everything. It's hitting all the things we love.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Hey. Wow, they're making shadows out of the drones. Yandu.
Did that look cool?
To infinity.
Ah.
There's a place beyond the sky where your stories come alive and open a whole new
Zero. And we got carpet.
seems impossible. Find a way, new adventure,
This is their new song, I believe.
and tomorrow's always bright. Let's go, fight where you wanna be. The magic feels better than
Wow.
Let's go someplace with dreams with hero too. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. To where you go, the dreams
Nah, this is happy about Figment. That makes me so happy. Orangeburg. Oh wow. Pegasus. Bugs Life. Genie. Come on, buddy. There's 10. No way. Wow. Awesome.
Remember, there's no limit to how far you can go when you have Dreams That Soar.
That was awesome.
Oh my goodness, that was
I was
amazing.
holding my head cam for 10 minutes straight. Never
Disney Dreams That Soar, presented by AT&T. We hope you enjoy the rest of your evening here at Disney Springs. As you continue your journey, may you find that your own dreams take you to new heights.
Wow, you guys. Oh my goodness. That was so good. And it does hit you in the feels. Like, oh my goodness.
There's the drones
That was
leaving.
so amazing.
They're
Good
so
job,
pumped
drones.
to
You did
watch. Leaving my
awesome.
course. That's crazy. Look at that magic stuff. Yeah, I love that. And I don't know.
Wow. Loved it. I love this song too. Alright guys, oh my goodness, we just got done with the media event. First of all, the food was amazing, and our viewing spot for the drone show, wow. And then the drone show, wow, 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 like oh my word, so good. So I can't wait to see it again. I am going to stay for the next show in a little over an hour, so yeah, so I can get more pictures and more video for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed the show. We had an awesome time. I hope you guys get to come and see it, because in person is way better than the video. I mean, I hope the video does it a little bit of justice, but in person, like the way that the drones move and the 3D effect, like it's just wow. And so many characters that they had in this, like wow, wow, wow. I am so excited. I hope you guys get to come check it out live in person at some point, but I hope you enjoyed the video as well and the live stream too. Dale's doing the live stream over there, and we're gonna go find him now. All right, so guys, I had to show you my goodie bag before we leave for the night. So we got a magic band, which goes with the show. So bring your magic bands fully charged. They will flash, they will vibrate, they will be pretty. So bring them for the show. We also got the coolest water bottle ever, Star Wars lightsaber. I've been wanting this actually. Ready? Whew. You can't hear the noise, but it makes the lightsaber noise. Super cool. I have Vanna Jessie here helping me out. She was here watching the show with Dale live and Julian. Dale took the stream. And I think we have a fan. Oh, and a pen.
Oh, and a pen. Look at this.
Look at the pen. Oh, it's up. Oh my goodness. And that up scene with the drones was amazing. And then a portable fan because it's hot. It's hot.
This is not your biggest fan.
Not my biggest fan, but it's amazing. And then Summer House gave us a nice little goodie bag too. We got some cookies and the rosé. So thanks to Summer House and to Disney for all of these goodies. All right, guys, well, that is it for our night here at Disney Springs. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us and checking out the new drone show, Disney Dreams That Soar. Oh my goodness. Amazing. I would come and see this every night if I could. I know I can't, but we'll be back. And it was a little difficult to stream. So while I was at the media event, Dale was streaming it. So signal was a little wonky, but we did get to stream it. But I hope you enjoyed the video, the vlog of the event tonight. Again, a big thank you to Disney inviting us out to this event. It was amazing. From Summer House to the food to the drone show. So good. So, all right, guys, we'll leave a comment down below. Which was your favorite I almost said droid. Which was your favorite drone that you saw tonight? There were so many to choose from. Oh my goodness, from Wally and Eva to Figment, Baymax. I mean, the Rocketeer was even in that. Like, so good. Leave a comment what your favorite one was, and if you're gonna book a trip just to come see this, because 100% worth it, guys. All right, well, check out all of our awesome sponsors. The links are down below in the description of the video, and we'll see you guys soon. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. And check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com for the best in free vacation planning advice. Check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip to Disney. Also, if you're thinking about moving to Central Florida to be closer to the magic, the team at Resort TV One Homes, brokered by eXp Realty and in partnership with the Funk Collection, would love to make your dreams come true. Go to resorttv1homes.com and fill out the contact form for more info. And if you would like to treat your family to a stay at a Disney Deluxe Villa for a fraction of the cost, go check out David's Vacation Club Rentals at dvcrequest.com/TV.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.